Hello everyone, welcome to Big Data Factory. I am Ranit and I have over 4+ years of experience working as a data engineer. So in this video, we will discuss about my data engineer interview experience with Lloyds. It was packed with interesting Spark, SQL and Python questions. Some were straightforward and some were tricky and few completely caught me off guard. By the end of this video, you can learn from my experience and prepare better. Let's dive in. The first question was a hands-on PySpark task. They gave a CSV file with these columns: first name, last name, email, phone. The phone numbers look like a 30-digit character. The task was to transform it into a new schema. First name, last name, email, phone, country code, and valid phone number, whether it's a valid phone number or not, and save it as a Parquet file. You can see the solution on screen. Here is how I approached it. First, I read the CSV into a data frame. Then I use it regex to extract the country code and the 10-digit phone number. I also added a column to check if the phone number is valid or not. Finally, I wrote the transform data frame as a Parquet. This question tests your understanding of data frames transformations and Spark input-output operation. All are very common in real-world pipelines. The next question was about SQL and data modeling. They given me 3 tables: authors, books, and library. Library is a junction table connecting authors to books. The question was, we need to find books written by authors who wrote more than one book. The solution is simple, as you can see on screen. Group authors in the library table by author ID, count the number of books per author, and then select books for authors with more than one book. It's a classic many-to-many relationship problem. This tests not only SQL skills but also your ability to model relationships between tables. They also tested my coding skills in Spark using classic word count program. I explained in both ways using RDDs and DataFrames. If using RDDs, what I did is split each line into words, map each word to word comma 1, reduce by key to get the counts. If using DataFrames, split lines into words, use explode to flatten the array of words, group by word and count. And here is a small tip: RDDs are low level and flexible, but DataFrames are preferred for performance because of Spark's Catalyst Optimizer. Interviewers often ask this to check your understanding of both RDDs and DataFrames. Next, they asked a window function question: find the highest paid employee per department. I used dense rank over a partition by department ID and ordering by salary descending. Then I selected rows where rank equals to 1. This is a classic Spark SQL window function interview question. You may find this almost in every data engineering interview. You can also use row number or rank depending on whether you want to handle ties or not. The interviewer then asked it, find employees who are not assigned to any project. The solution is do a left join between employees and projects. Select rows where the project ID is null. This is known as an anti-join pattern, very common in real-world SQL queries. They also asked about Spark optimization techniques. Here are some key points to mention. Cache or persist frequently used data. Broadcast small tables to avoid shuffles. Partition or bucket large tables properly. Avoid expensive transformations like group by key. And prefer DataFrames API over RDDs for performance. These small optimizations can drastically improve your Spark jobs. Let me know in the comment section if you want a detailed explanation video on Spark optimization techniques. I will make a video explaining theory and how to apply them. Some other questions were also asked like normalization and data modeling, basic Python questions. Explain your previous project in detail. Always structure your answers with clarity. Explain your approach and show understanding of both theory and implementation. So that was my real data engineering interview experience with Lloyds. Here are my key takeaways. Understand PySpark transformations and data frame operations. Practice SQL joins, window functions, and subqueries. Know RDDs versus data frames. Learn Spark optimization techniques. So this is all for today. If this video helps you, like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more real interview experiences and tips on Big Data Factory. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.